Alright, welcome to our channel. My name is Sarah and we are Champion Chisel Works, where we are dedicated to quality, service, and selection. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Okay, today we are going to show you how to use the chisel lookup on our website. So the first thing you're going to need to do is navigate to our website, which is championchisel.com. And then here on the home page, you're going to go over here on the left hand side to this blue box, and it's going to be the chisel lookup by hammer. You're going to click the drop down, which will give you an option to select a manufacturer, and then you can scroll down to the different manufacturers. I'm just going to click this one here. This is Bosch. We'll try that one. And then it's going to give you an option to select a hammer model. So you're going to click the drop down on that. Scroll down to the model that you want for your hammer, and then it's going to redirect you to a page that's going to give you options for chisels that should fit that hammer. It's going to give you some subcategories that you can click on and go into. It's also going to just have a list of products at the bottom where you can add them directly to the cart. You can also just click on any of those items to get more info. So that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, please feel free to call us. Our number is right here. It's pretty much on most category pages, but if not, it's probably at the bottom of the page or on the home page. So thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like and share this video. You can also like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Thank you very much.